Ross Lannon and I am one of the reviewers for Access Cornwall. And today I'm filming a very special video because I'm going to be taking a little mystery shopper trip, having a look at train travel here in Cornwall. The reason I'm doing this video today is because Access Cornwall have teamed up with Great Western Railway to have a look at the train accessibility here in Cornwall. And this is exciting, and I'm going into this with a very open mind because I genuinely haven't been on a train in probably over 10 years. So as a wheelchair user myself, it's going to be an eye-opener to see what the access is like and how we get on. So I'm going to film that and I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Train now, and my original route has been slightly altered because my plan to stop at St Ives and go straight to St Ives is not going to be possible because I would have ended up on the wrong side of the platform, and they don't have an accessible walkover at this time of year. From March to November they do provide an accessible bus, however at this time of the year that is not available and it would involve walking on an unsafe piece of road. So I'm having to stay on the train until Penzance now, which will be about a 40-minute extra time for me, but that train will bring me back on the right side of the platform for me to continue my journey to St Ives. So let's see how we get on. Station now. We got off the train, no problem. The assistance was there waiting, which was brilliant. And yeah, we're back on track now for our original route. Next stop, we'll be heading to St Ives. Had a really nice chat as well with the staff here at St Ives, and they've told me that they are in the process of having an accessible lift, which should be ready by May next year, which should be really good. And that'll definitely save a lot of time moving forward. So yeah. As you can see, I am back home now, safe and sound from my travels, and I've had a really nice day. I cannot fault the special assistance from start to finish, From booking via the passenger assistance app, the staff at every station were incredibly friendly and just willing to help you and advise you on where you need to be. And there was no fuss. They were there ready and waiting with the ramps each time. So I am really, really impressed with how that went. Obviously, the only hiccup from my journey today was the access at St Ives station, not being able to get from one platform to the other during the changeover times between my trains. Having to sort of stay on the train to go to another station to then come back on yourself because there is not that accessible bus route between the two is a real shame. But I am glad that there is something in the pipeline for that access to be improved. There is going to be a lift installed in May. So I'm hopeful that once this is in place, it will make the journey a lot smoother. But other than that, it genuinely was a great day out, and I'm pleased to see that train travel in Cornwall and the assistance that was provided by Great Western Railway today was fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again soon. Booking my tickets and assistance couldn't have been any easier. Using the Great Western Railway app, I was able to select the date and times of my journey. Here I can enter a disabled person's rail card if you have one, which will enable you to have a free carer's ticket. You select your outward and your return times, and then this will go into your basket for you to review your order and pay for your tickets. Once those tickets are secured, you can go to the passenger assistance app, enter the same travel time details, select the same trains on this app for your outward and return journey, and then there is an option to select the assistance needed and the type of facilities available, such as a use of ramp and a wheelchair space. Once this is done, you're ready to go.